Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove noise from video. So in here, I've already add a tutorial video that I made before, and I want to remove the noise from this video. So if you want to do the same, you can now just click on the video on a timeline and swipe through the options at the bottom until you find this enhance voice option. So tap on that, and in here what you need to do is enable the enhance voice. Now you can just select the intensity of the noise cleanup in here at the bottom, but just wait until the enhancing voice is finished. So after the voice is enhanced, here you can adjust the noise cleanup. I'm going to go with 100, and CapCut will enhancing we're re-enhancing the voice again, so you can just wait until the process is done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.